The Infiniti Q60 has been produced in various countries, including Japan and the United States. Infiniti is a luxury brand owned by Nissan, and the Q60 is manufactured in facilities that Nissan operates. Technical indicators for the Infiniti Q60 can vary depending on the model year and trim level. Here are some examples of technical specifications based on previous model years, though it's important to note that these figures are subject to change with new releases. 1. Engine options. 2.0-litre turbocharged inline 4, power output around 208 horsepower. 3.0-litre twin turbocharged V6, power output ranging from approximately 300 to 400 plus horsepower, depending on the specific variant, for example, Q60 Red Sport. 2. Transmission options. 7-speed automatic transmission. 3. Drive configurations. Rear-wheel drive, RWD, all-wheel drive, AWD. 4. Acceleration. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour, 0 to 97 kilometers per hour, typically ranges from around 5 to 7 seconds, depending on the engine and configuration. 5. Fuel economy. Fuel efficiency can vary based on engine, drivetrain, and driving conditions. As an example, the 2021 Q60 with a 3.0-litre V6 engine and rear-wheel drive achieved approximately 19 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. It's important to note that these technical indicators are approximate and can vary depending on the specific model year, engine choice, and other factors.